Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. We are doing the Friendship Express monthly theme this week. The theme is winter this month. Mine is going to be, I'm making a gift. So I don't know how wintry this is, but I really wanted to make this today. I know the colors are definitely not going to be Christmassy. They're going to be, I'm trying to go with like camo colors. So let's get some green in here. This is the olive green from Let's Resin. I might mix these up and put them in the vacuum chamber. Look how pretty that is. It's so beautiful. My goodness. Okay, and this one I'm gonna do some brown. Get some of that in there. Mix that up. That's so pretty too. I don't even know if I can get camo colors. These might just all run and be a mess. The closest thing I have to a camo color, and I don't know if you have gray in there, but I'm gonna put some gray. I know if you have like winter camo, you would have like gray and white. I meant to do the green one and the big one. We're gonna do black in here. Let's use some of our Let's Resin black epoxy pigment. Get some of that in there. Mix that all up. I think I'll just start pouring some colors in, I guess. Get some green. Green over here. Here. Gray, should I? I don't know. I've got black. I don't know what colors to use. More black right here. I don't know how camo-y that is, but I think it's kind of cool. But it's a gift. I think they'll like it. But make sure you check out the playlist. There's going to be some super amazing makes from some amazing people. We've added a few new members to the Friendship Express. Petra, Johanna, Bex. We've added them. Let's see, who else have we added? My mind's blank. Just make sure you check out the playlist because all of their videos are going to be linked in the playlist in my description. And they're all worth checking out. They all make some really awesome stuff. And we started the Friendship Express to support each other. We're friends. We like hanging out. We have live chats. It's super fun. And, you know, you can sit in the live chat with us and join us. You know, don't be shy. You can join right in the conversation and we'll be so happy to have you. It's a super cool group of people to be around. I might fill up a bear, this little bear. I put a tiny bit of alcohol in there. Let's put some clear. I guess I can do two actually. Squeeze the ears. Yeah, my stuff's all running together. That's all right. I don't know, when it's a gift, it's a thought that counts, right? Let's get the bears even. Because the little bears are for 2 people, but I want them to be pretty close to the same. I'm gonna get some of this green in there. Drop some green right in the middle, or around, should I say, however. Straight in the middle is how I did it. Same with this one. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze the head and see if it'll pull down any of that green. A little bit. There's a little bit down in there. Let's do it with this one. Squeeze that head. There's a bubble too I need to squeeze out. Okay, I think some of it went down in there. I'm gonna put in some of the black. Some brown. A little gray. Well, why not? Hope the gray don't take over. Squeeze it one more time. Well, and I gotta get that dang bubble out of there. Ooh, that's close. Better be, oh, I'm doing it one more time. Okay, I don't know how much went in there. Hopefully some. Okay. I've got to add enough for my bears, because these are going to be little stocking stuffers. Okay, I'm going to put it in the, I'm going to put the lid on it and let it cure, and I'll just let these guys sit out here and do their thing. Ooh, I about spilled it. And then I'll clean up my mess and see you in 2 hours for this. But honestly, it's okay. I'm putting a sticker on it. So I will see you soon. Bye. Okay, guys. See, I have Christmas cheer. I need to finish painting his beak. But, isn't he cute? And these are just some stickers I stuck on there. Glitter stickers. Anyway, you can sit here and watch me pour this. Okay. I had to hunt around for this because I didn't know where I put it. But I'm so excited. If I can peel this off, I think it's a rub-on transfer. Come on. Aha. Sweet. Oh, goodness. Oh, I'm telling you, he was in a different video, but I made some other pieces and they broke, and oh my gosh, you talk about a flop of a video. So it didn't get made. He's all that survived the video. Okay, that's how do we want to put him in here? I should have cut it before I'm having one of those days. I really am. I'm having one of those days. Okay. Whew. This is the only sticker that I'd ordered like this. I ordered a couple ones for their vehicles, but Okay, let's see if I can get this thing off. Gotta make sure all the stuff's rubbed on there. Goodness gracious. Everything's shaking on the table. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I love that. I'm so glad it turned out after the day I've been having. But I do have to pour a top coat because my mold had scrapes on it. And I ordered another mold and I got it. And it has scrapes on it too. So, brand new mold. I don't know what happened, honestly. I have no idea why it showed up like that. But okay, my resin's been sitting for a little while. It's got some bubbles, but I can torch it. So maybe we should check these guys out. Because after I had this in the G3 curing machine, I put these little guys in there. So let me try to get them out. I'm doing it over here so I don't get pieces in there. Plus I have to have them next to my body so I can try to get his head out. Oh, cute. Oh, I love him. And that silver almost took over, didn't it? Adorable. Okay, let's see how much I got the other one to match him. Okay, there he is. Oh, he's got some clear in his ear and some clear in the, ooh, clear in the front of his face. That's awesome. I love them. They're his and her bears. That's what those are. I think they're adorable. Super cute. Okay, now let's get some of this in here. I'm not gonna have to use it all. I can use the rest for something else. I'm gonna try to get along the edge. Nice. I think that's awesome. I think any outdoorsman would love that. And how easy is it to make it? I mean, you don't always have to buy gifts. Sometimes you can make really incredible ones. You know what I mean? Ones that really mean something to somebody. And that's the fun part of doing it. Because like my last video where I made that bar stool, you know, some people you can't figure out what to buy for. I just, myself especially, I don't know what any earthly idea what to get some people. For one, they never say what they want. Like, I don't need anything for Christmas. It's a season to give. And I'm gonna give my family something, whether they want it or not, you know? Even if it's just something special like this. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money for them to love it. For them to appreciate it and think it's the neatest thing ever. So, yeah. I'm gonna let this cure up and we'll check it out when it's done. I gotta cover it up though so nothing floats in it. See you soon. All right, guys. This was totally fine when I checked it yesterday. But probably when I checked it, I got a tiny hair in it and I can't have that. So, I'm gonna try to sand that little area and put some more clear on again. Let me spray some alcohol on there and see if I got it though. Okay. I think I sanded that hair off, so let me clean that off. I'm gonna pour some more resin in there. You know, I don't know how else I would have got that hair out of there. That kind of made my day. Instead of thinking I totally ruined it. And now that I've sprayed alcohol on there and seen that I already got the hair off, yeah, that's where it was at. I sanded it right off. Huh. If you need something for stuff like this, this is a great tool for it. It wasn't until after I got that hair off that I realized you guys haven't seen my video yet, my unboxing video of the Let's Resin 4-in-1 sander polisher. So that'll be coming up in a future video. This was just a sneak peek of it. I love it. So let me get some resin on this and see you soon. Okay guys, I got a top coat on it. I'm happy with it. I think it turned out amazing. What a cool gift. And then I finished this little guy. He's so cute. Isn't he darn cute? So sweet. I'll take a picture of this and I hope you guys have an extraordinary day. See ya.